In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Google Pixel 6 back to factory settings. This process will erase all the data on your device, returning it to its original state. It is important to understand each step to ensure a smooth reset. Before proceeding with the factory reset, it is crucial to back up all important data. You can utilize Google backup services or manually transfer files to another device. This ensures that your photos, contacts, and apps are preserved. Verify your Google account details to confirm that all necessary information is backed up. Completing this step prevents any potential data loss during the factory reset process. Once your data is backed up, navigate to the Settings app on your Pixel 6i, look for the option labeled System and tap on it to access additional settings. Within this menu, you will find Reset Options. Select this option to proceed to the reset settings. After that, tap on Erase All Data, Factory Reset from the list presented to you. It is important to carefully review the warning message that appears next. This message outlines the consequences of performing a factory reset. After reviewing the warning, if you are ready to continue, tap the Confirm button to initiate the reset process. Your device will begin deleting all data, which may take a few moments. During this time, you may see a progress bar indicating the status of the reset. Once the process is complete, your phone will automatically restart and you will be greeted with the initial setup screen. After the reset is complete, follow the on-screen setup instructions to configure your device. Once again, you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you have a backup available, this is the time to restore it. Additionally, you will need to reinstall any apps you previously had and customize your settings according to your preferences. This ensures that your device is fully operational and tailored to your needs. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.